So every morning I am extremely focused on how I will hydrate my body. So I started this day with watermelon, and of course I have my gallon of water with me throughout the day.
Keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
Y'all know I had to get me a good little workout in every single day. It is also a goal to hit the gym. So today I did an intense strength training workout. So it was really important that I was able to rejuvenate my body with something that was going to feed me the nutrients that I need. This oatmeal is packed with protein. It has hemp seeds, chia seeds, rolled oats, millet, quinoa. I sweetened it with a little vanilla extract and some agave. I also added some frozen peaches to it, and it all came together perfectly. I always stress the importance of having a nice green salad every single day. As much as you can, greens are so important for the body. So here I just have some chopped kale, and I also have some air fried chickpeas, and here I just topped it on my salad with some vegan ranch. I was really excited to try out Purple Carrot. It is a company that I've seen around, and they seem like they have amazing products. So basically, Purple Carrot is a company where they send you the ingredients with the coordinating recipe straight to your door. And here you just see me chopping up some vegetables for the Rajas tacos that I decided to try. You literally go onto their website, browse their recipes, see which ones you want to try. And it's as simple as throwing this packet of rice and 1 cup of water into a pot, and voila, they make it super simple for you. Some fresh corn, they sent me fresh avocado, fresh cilantro, fresh poblano peppers. Everything was fresh. After everything was cooked, all I had to do was assemble everything. I think that Purple Carrot makes it very easy for people to try new recipes. For some of us who might not be that fluent in the kitchen, they definitely made it easy for me to create these Rajas tacos, which I had never tried before. If you're already on a plant-based diet like me, you might get bored of some of the recipes that you are already used to. If there are vegetables that you want to try but you don't know how to incorporate them into your diet, like I said, Purple Carrot is perfect for you. It's all vegan, all plant-based. They have some amazing healthy recipes, and they make it super, super convenient. They mail you all the ingredients, they mail you the recipe. That way all you have to do is just put it together, and if you can follow a recipe, then you will have a bomb meal on your hands. Also, they sent some Cholula sauce. It did definitely add flavor to the tacos. I think that it could have used a little bit more onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit more sea salt, just a little bit more flavor. So the Cholula sauce did bring it together well, but overall, it was definitely something that I would eat again.
It's really not that bad though. It does taste good. It tastes healthy. And by the time I get to the third taco, I'm gonna be full. But yeah, this is good.